Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be doing a sneak peek of some products. The Thanks and Giving is an online exclusive for September 2026. We're going to be using this stamp set. We're also going to be using the Sweet Words and Labels bundle. So the dies and stamp set. This was May 2026 online exclusive. This is the one that came with the Winnie the Pooh suite. And then we're also going to be using the product of the month. This is August product of the month, the Harvest Glow Specialty Designer Series paper. They're single-sided sheets. You get 2 each. So this, and they're pearlized. That looks upside down. So this, we're actually going to be using one of the flowers from this sheet. Here's one. Actually, I use a lot of this on the cards we're having today. Here's the next one with acorns all over. Seems I have all of them upside down. So can you see that sheen on there? This one is a more colorful one, like this one. So I think you get 3 colorful ones and 3 that are just like neutral tones like that. So here's one with just a bunch of leaves all over. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time to pick these up. Then here's the one, pumpkin. I love this one. But I like all the little pumpkins on here. Then this one here, colorful, nice and cute with the branches and the pods. Okay, and the colors in this designer series paper are Cajun Craze, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Golden Glow, and Pecan Pie. All right, so before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Aspens of Gratitude paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 10 cards. Early Espresso is the stamping spot. We have some add-on dies, the detailed floral dies that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And we actually, on one of my cards that I'm going to show you today, I use this circle die. We have a link in the description below. I always say we. I have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next is the Glow of Harvest product of the month, the August 2026 product of the month, the specialty paper. You can get this for $5 when you spend $75 or more on a single order. Get it before it's gone, because it is while supplies last. Next up, we have a 15% off select designer series paper and cardstock sale. That sale ends August 31st, 2026. Lastly, we have our Stampin' Rewards program, where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem those rewards on future orders. You track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and those rewards do expire 12 months after the earning date, okay? Please opt into the rewards program. That is free money you're leaving on the table if you don't opt in. So that is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to start by doing a little bit of stamping. So we have some Cajun Craze ink here and some Crumb Cake cardstock, and we're going to stamp You Are Appreciated. Okay. And then I'm going to take our inside of Basic Beige, and this is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Then I have a 1/4 inch of some Cajun Craze, and I think this is like a little bit less than 3/4 of an inch for the designer series paper. And I'm just putting that there for now. We're gonna do some stamping there with some Golden Glow. These are our new magnetic ink pads. And I'm just gonna put this about right here, like that. That's it, that's all. That's all of our stamping done. So I'm gonna take this with our 3 banner punch, and I'm going to punch this out of the center banner, just like that. Okay, come out. Don't you, didn't want it to punch again. So we have that. So now let's go ahead and put our inside together. So I need some Stampin' Seal. I'll put some Stampin' Seal down here on our cardstock. Ooh. I went a little high with that. And just set this right here at the bottom. Oh. Let's see if I can get that up because it's not quite over far enough. Okay, then where's my silicone craft sheet? I'm gonna put some adhesive along this strip. We're gonna put this right here, like that. I'm gonna take my scissors and trim off all the extra bits. Just like that. Move this to the side. We're gonna put some adhesive on the back of this. We're gonna add this to a piece of crumb cake that is 5 by 3 3/4. Got some little fuzzies. I did just change my trimmer blade, but I probably cut this before. Okay, and then we're gonna add this. Oh my goodness, I got extra glue on here. I just happen to have my glue eraser sitting out. We're gonna add this to our card base of Early Espresso, and it is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. So we're gonna put this right here on the inside like this. Okay, and then I have some designer series paper here. One piece is 5 1/4 by 4. We're gonna layer that on our base. And then this piece of designer series paper, what size is this? It is 1 3/8 by 5 1/4. And we're gonna go ahead and get some liquid glue. And we're gonna add this onto our Cajun Craze, which is 5 1/4 by 1 1/2. So we're not going to have a border at the bottom, just on the 2 sides. None at the bottom or the top, just on the sides. I'm going to get that on there just like that. Ooh. And then we're going to take this and add it to our 5 1/4 by 4 piece of designer series paper. Right over to the side. Just gonna leave a little bit of a border on the side there. Just like that. And I see I have a tiny bit of overhang. Where did I put my scissors? Over here, stuck to the Cajun Craze strip. We're gonna just trim off that little bit of overhang, just like that. Then we're going to glue this down to our card base. Come on. Looks like I need to get some more glue. I'm going to add this to our card base here. Just like that. And then before the video, I did some die cutting with some Golden Glow and Early Espresso. And we're gonna add these pieces together. These are from the, that die set I showed you, the bundle. I don't think we're using the actual bundle. I just wanted to show you that it came in a bundle. Yeah, we're just using the dies, the Sweet Words and Labels. Okay, then we're gonna put this right here. Now I'm deciding, I think I wanna pop that up. So where are my Stampin' Dimensionals? Come on, lay down. Let's put some dimensionals on the back of this. We're gonna pop this up. Yes, I'm gonna use quite a bit of dimensionals on this thing. It's kind of big. Just 2 more. Just 2 more. And we're gonna get this adhered down. Am I adhering this down? Wait a minute. I think I should have put something on here. Let me see. No, I'm gonna hear this down. If I can get the backings off. That one didn't even come off. Come off. Come off. They're fighting me. Okay, got that off. Goodness. And I think I'm gonna put this right here like that. And I say I think, but it's done, right? Okay, then I have our piece that I told you I was gonna use from the designer series paper. I cut this out with my scissors, and I'm gonna place this on here about like this. Then our sentiment that I punched out with the 3 banner punch, I went ahead and mounted it on some early espresso and scissor cut to make it match this. And I put some golden glow ribbon on the back. So this is what we have, like this. And I'm gonna add this like that. So let's go ahead and get this glued down. I'm gonna get this glued down about like that. Like that. We're gonna glue this down. Actually, I wanna put tearing tape on this because it has the ribbon. I don't know how well that glue is gonna hold it with the ribbon, but we can still add some glue. You guys know I am a believer in double adhesive, especially when I'm using the tearing tape. The glue gives me that little bit of wiggle room I need. So we have that, and that is basically the card done. So now what we're gonna do is add some embellishments, and I have here the earthy matte dots. I think these are still available. They were November 2025 online exclusive. If they're not, I'm sorry about that. Get whatever embellishments you have that will coordinate. And where is my take your pick tool? I'm going to use the early espresso. It comes in Cajun Craze, Lost Lagoon, Pecan Pie, and early espresso. And I'm going to use some early espresso dots on here. So I think I'm going to put 2 up here at the top, 1 big one, 1 small one, maybe a big one over here, right here in the middle of this little flowery thing. And that is our card done. Isn't that nice? Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, that is the first card well, not the first card I made, but this was the first idea I came up with. But then I made this card here using the pumpkins. I scissor cut them out. I did the Happy Thanksgiving from the Thanks and Giving stamp set. This stamp set here, which is our sneak peek. I embossed that in white embossing powder and cut that out. The circle back here is from the paper pumpkin dies, which are these here. Aren't those pretty? And I added some linen thread, the same little dots from this here. And in the background is the textured tree ring 3D embossing folder. And you can see that was a July online exclusive. So that's that card. And the inside, I just added some of those flowers that I cut out from this paper. Stamped a little pumpkin from the stamp set. Okay, then I made 2 more. So these 2 cards were made because I used this one piece. It was a 3x3 and I cut it diagonally. So I made 2 cards. So these acorns came from the stamp set. These die cut leaves and this die cut here came from the same dies that I just used on our first card here. So these dies here, which are the Sweet Words and Labels dies. And as you can see, I added some linen thread here, Cajun Craze, Early Espresso, Crumb Cake. I colored in 300, 4, 5, and 600 for the browns here. That's not right. This is pecan pie. Light and dark pecan pie. And then I did Cajun Craze and pecan pie on these acorns. Yeah, there is always something to be thankful for and give thanks. Aren't these cute? And I use that same textured tree ring embossing folder in the back. Put a tiny acorn on the inside. The acorns here came from the die set. Okay, so this is what I created using the August 2026 product of the month. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.